Today at Ultimate Motors, we have a 2016 GMC Terrain Denali. Do a quick walk around on this. It has the Denali headlights, specific to this model, chrome accents and trim, 18-inch chrome wheels. The windows are tinted. Since that is a Denali, forgive me for saying that word so much, it has a two-tone interior with specific styling cues specific to this model. Heated front seats, Pioneer audio, has blind spot assist as well as collision assist, and more. This Terrain does have remote start. Take the key right here, hold the button. Take a look inside. Denali mahogany wood, two-tone interior with two-tone stitching as well. Pioneer audio, two-person memory seats, 8-way adjustable power seats, specific to the Denali. Denali on the seats as well. Start it up, see how it sounds, and go over some of the features. The center screen right here is controlled by these vehicle info buttons. Right now, you have the speed, trip information, fuel range, average fuel economy, various economical settings, displays, sorry about that, average speed for your vehicle, a timer, navigation info, a blank screen if you don't want to be distracted, back to your speed. You have buttons for your cruise control, as well as collision assist and lane departure warnings. This car does have forward and rear collision assist, as well as blind spot monitoring. You have hands-free calling buttons, as well as buttons to change the volume up and down, as well as change the source. It has heated side mirrors, indicators for blind spot monitoring, as said before. Your GMC IntelliLink screen is touchscreen, or you can use these buttons down here. If we go home, we have phone information, FM radio. We can go between AM, FM, XM. It also has Pandora, Stitcher, USB, and aux, and more. Here's your navigation info. Here's various hotspots and places of interest. USB would be here if you had hooked up, as well as your aux. This vehicle is equipped with an ability to tell you the nearest fuel prices. This vehicle has the ability through OnStar to tell you fuel prices in the area, as well as movie showtimes. Right now it is not set up. Info, navigation, weather forecast, fuel, and movie showtimes. Is the HVAC system. It shows up on the screen as well. Fan speed, temperature, AC right here, directional settings. Has heated seats for driver and passenger. Here's eco mode, traction control off. These buttons right here, you can use the shift manually if you put it in manual mode. Does have a backup camera as well, with park assist. Sunroof up top. Different settings.